And that is what you want. So, all right guys, this is the new door handle, and I have the part number if you guys want it. All right, you guys see that? Cool. I'll leave a link in the description. So this is our new handle. And the part that actually broke on us was this right here, this mechanism right here, guys. So as you can see, you compare the two handles. When you compare the two handles, you see exactly what's broke, which is this part right here, which is the handle part. So that's the part that's actually broke on it. So we're gonna get everything lined back up. We're gonna take the lock off. We're gonna take the lock off, put the new lock on here. And since we're having such a problem with this right here, which it shouldn't be a problem, I'm probably just gonna slide this whole lock out, slide the lock out, and then we're gonna put it on this one. So it shouldn't be a problem. So let's go ahead, get this off, and we're gonna continue. All right, and we're gonna also, we need to pick this up right here and put it closer to the actual door handle or opening on the door. Let's see if we can see it from here. Yes, we can. It's right here. So let's pull that closer to us. Okay. So this is our old one. So we're not going to pull it or bend it too much because we don't want to mess up the integrity of it. So we're going to slide this off, and we're going to slide the other one on. So before we do that, we're going to go ahead and get this lock off. But I want to get this right here so I can know exactly which way it goes. So if we're looking at this handle right here, guys. So we're looking at this handle right here. You see that this part that broke off, that actually broke, is still on this new one. So we're just gonna, what we're gonna do. All right guys, I'm sorry that I couldn't show me getting the door off and everything like that, but I will explain it to you guys. But I had to charge up my phone and my glasses, so I'm gonna try to see. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna undo the screws. We're gonna undo the screws for the door itself. So if you can see, I have one in here, so we're gonna try to get in here. Hopefully I can catch it. Hopefully I can catch it. Before it comes all the way out, I can catch it with my hand. Exactly what I didn't want to do. Okay. All right, guys, hold on. Let me go get this magnet so I can try to get this. All right, guys, I got that, got this back out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put this on, put this back on here, and put this back on here. And now, okay, so that's the one screw I got right here, so it's loose. So we got to try to get this screw right here, guys. And it is right here. So we're gonna put this in here, just like so. We'll stick our hand in here, make sure don't nothing drop. And it dropped anyway, guys. Oh my goodness. Y'all, when y'all doing this, make sure y'all be careful. And make sure you have a magnet. Please make sure you got a magnet. Because there is a crease. There's a crease in the bottom of this door right here. And it's hard to get anything up out of there if it falls in this little crease right there, if you guys can see. But we got it out. So let's keep moving. Okay, let's put this right here. Okay. Hold on, guys. Okay, so we got both of the screws off. So now what we're gonna do, and I didn't unhook anything right here. I just kind of laid it down to the side. I peeled this off the door, so hopefully it'll stick back to the door. It's still kind of sticky and tacky, so I'm gonna go ahead and this should be okay to put back up there once we're done. But we're gonna go around to the other side and see what we're working with now. So this should actually be loose, guys. Okay, good. So here is, this was our problem right here. This piece right here actually broke, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slide this one off, and then we're gonna slide this one on. We're just gonna try to slide it on, guys. And then I need to actually need to pinch this together. I think what I want to do, guys, is I really want to try to get this lock off of here with the door handle, so I can line it up the right way. So we're going to set this one down, and we're going to concentrate on getting this off right here. So in order to do that, guys, we're going to need a couple tools. So let's see, maybe this will work. This may work. This may work. We're going to try both of them. So let's try this first. Let's try this first, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to carefully push it in. Actually, let's do like this. Let's see if we can. All right, guys, so we got the handle back on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the screws back in there. Once we get the screws back in, guys, once we get those screws back in there, which everything should be lining up correctly, it's off just a smidge, but we're gonna try to make it work. So you guys can kind of see in that hole right there. It's off by a little hair. So, all right, we're gonna try to fit the screws back in there, and we're gonna wrap it back up, guys. Get everything back straight. We'll be back. All right, guys. So we got everything back together. Door locks work. Want to make sure you check your door locks and make sure your door locks are working. Make sure your handle on the inside is working. And I'm gonna show you guys that it works. So this is the new handle, and we're about to try it, guys. And that is what you want. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and leave a comment. If you have a question about anything, make sure you leave a comment. This is Joe of All Trades, and we will see you next time. Peace.